What if I tell you you have the power to come up with infinite ideas for your YouTube show? How would you feel about this? Wouldn't it be great?
The problem is when you search for videos regarding this topic, you will find stuff like this.
Yes, you heard that right, 1,000 plus shorts in a single day.
In fact, I created 300 of the same YouTube shorts in just 30 minutes for free.
And the next one is my favorite.
In today's tutorial, we will be creating 50 YouTube shorts within 5 minutes with the help of two AI tools. Number 1, ChatGPT OpenAI to create the text.
And this is exactly the reason why I made this video as part of a YouTube short series about how artificial intelligence can make us
better, faster, stronger.
YouTube shorts. I also tested Google's AI Bard and the results surprised me. So this video is for everyone who don't want to create absolute nonsense and random shorts, but instead quality shorts tailored to their target audience, niche and topic, delivering real value for their viewers and ultimately for their channel in order to grow sustainably. This first video is dedicated to the ideation part of creating YouTube shorts, where I show you how you never run out of ideas with the help of artificial intelligence. Never. As examples, I picked 3 niches, which are gaming, personal finance and healthy living. Let's roll.
Alrighty, we are already in ChatGPT. The model we use is 3.5 because it's available to everyone, and this is our prompt. I have a gaming channel and my favorite game is PUBG Battlegrounds. Give me 50 ideas for engaging YouTube shorts that are a maximum of 60 seconds. 50 ideas is the scope, and here we give the limitation that YouTube shorts are only 60 seconds. Boom! It's that easy, 50 ideas. And now we multiply this, we take one idea and ask for another 50. For example, we take the same prompt and look at stealthy flanking tactics that talk about silent flank, deadly results, flanking technique for solo players, flank frag finish. Sounds legit to me. And yeah, it's that easy. Wow. Okay, let's have a look at another niche. I picked personal finance, and this is our prompt. I have a channel about personal finance. Can you give me 10 directions I can make YouTube shorts about? So this time I want to first get directions, and let's see what ChatGPT came up. Budgeting, quick tips, saving, debt management, building. That's great. So we can just redo our prompt which we used before. Okay, let's take this, the basic of investment. So our prompt is, I have a channel, a YouTube channel about personal finance. Give me 50 ideas for engaging YouTube shorts that are a maximum of 60 seconds and talk about the basic of investment. What is also common practice is the following additional prompt. If you need more information to create your best answer, ask me anything. So we give ChatGPT the chance to get more information from us if it needed. But in this case, I know already ChatGPT knows exactly what we want. And let's see if it's delivering. Wow. Yeah, as you can see, this pretty good ideas. And you can take it from here, you can dig deeper, so you will never run out of ideas. So let's move on what else we can do. So you heard about that ChatGPT only goes till 2021. So this time we take some real world data and we stay with personal finance. And what you simply do is go on YouTube, put down your niche, personal finance, fitness, gaming, whatever. And then you look for shorts which has a lot of views, like this one, for example. And then you just take the description here, for example, invest young, get rich young, and again, put it in ChatGPT. Your prompt will look like this. Let's say 30 for the fun of it. What you also can do is for finance influencer or influencer in your niche, for example. I just saw Ramen City. Yeah. So, and we can go to his channel, have a look at his shorts. And yeah, basically you will look for shorts that went viral. Take the topic and ask ChatGPT to generate 50 related shorts.
In the final part I show you Bard and why I think it does a better job than ChatGPT. So if you like the content, giving it a like will help this video to compete against the clickbait videos you saw in the beginning. And yes, subscribing is your best chance to get notified when I upload the remaining part of this YouTube short series.
For example, in the next video I will show you a masterclass of AI Kung Fu to beat the 3 essential things of every successful YouTube short: scripting, structure, and storytelling. Alright, let's move on. What I also like to use is Bard, because Bard is Google and YouTube is Google, so it makes sense for me. So let's jump right into here. I get this message: Bard isn't currently supported in your country, stay tuned, because I am in Europe. So this is where a VPN comes handy. I use Pure VPN, but you can use any VPN. Connect with the United States, for example. Refresh the page. And voila! We will ask what YouTube shorts are trending right now in the healthy living niche. Here are some of the YouTube shorts that are trending now: workout and fitness, full body dumbbell. So it searches the whole internet, not YouTube alone. So and you get a lot of ideas what you can do. Wow. Yeah, there's a lot. There's a lot. From fitness to nutrition to skincare, hair conditioner. Interesting. They even look at Etsy. So have a look here. The website. Nourish. Hit. And again, you take this and feed it to... Actually, you can also feed it to Bard. Let's take something else. Okay, Pinterest. Okay, we can use this. Full body workout at home. So this is our prompt. I have a channel about healthy living. Give me 50 ideas for engaging YouTube shorts that are a maximum of 60 seconds and talk about full body workouts at home. If you need more information, blah blah blah. Amazing. Even with links. Wow. What else can you ask for? How much more can you ask for? Okay, so yes, continue. Workout ideas using household items. I love that.
And because Bard is looking at current data and is providing me with links, it's my preferred tool when it comes to ideation. So there you have it. In the next part of this YouTube short series, we will look at the 3 S: scripting, structure, and storytelling. And if you don't want to miss on that, subscribe. Until next time, friends.